Hello everyone. My name is Linda Gunnar. I am the CEO and founder of Linda's Perfection Creations. Linda's Perfection Creations is an event planning and wedding decor company. We cater to small and large events in around Philadelphia area. We do full service, partial. We do custom events. We do milestone celebrations. We do event planning in all over the country, international as well. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel so that you'll be able to see upcoming events. You can also find me on my website, www.lyndaperfect.creationsevents.com, where you can learn more about my services and upcoming events. And you can also sign up for your free 30-minute consultation to tell me about your upcoming events and wedding needs. So, today, it's very simple. This week I've been focusing on a lot of beauty tips and things to do before your wedding. It's not just to get ready for your dress, your makeup, your shoes, and every aspect of the wedding, but you still have to make sure that your body look great, your face look great, your skin is clean and your teeth is clean. Yes, we are going to talk about teeth having those pearly whites because you have to realize you are smiling in every single picture. You're smiling to people. You're doing a lot of things all day, and you need to have those pearly whites. Some people usually go to the the dentist to get teeth whitening. Sometimes they even have some spa and places have the dermatology, and different places have the bridal package. And what it is that it goes through the whole 9 yard, everything that you need to do. But my goal is to have things here with cost-effective things that will help you without that huge budget or just going nothing wrong with doing it if the budget entails, go for it. But I feel like in the overtime, anything that can save you money and get things right, why not try it to do? So today I'm going to talk about some of the tools and some of the things I should say that you can use. One of the best out there, as experts have said it to be, that can help whiten your teeth, and everything is pretty much cost effective, that you can get this information from a variety of different places. And then I would say today I have no ties or any connection with any of these products. These are just things based on what experts said and what I've seen people use that work. So I don't want anybody to say, well, Linda says it's gonna work. No, I have no connection. Yes, from my experience, from brides that I use, even some of these products I use it myself. I have no ties. I have nothing associated with any of these brands. It's just things that I know that do work for people. Everybody is different. Everything's work differently for people. So with that being said, we are going to go into it. So I'm going to go down different aspects of different things. So the first thing that, comparing to what they said, the best scripts, I'm going to go from scripts to gel to pen and so on and so forth. The best scripts out there are calling to an expert that says the Curse 3D Professional White Effect scripts. Those scripts are, you can lay it on your teeth and put it on a private. It's kind of like the ingredients that are used like in the hydroperoxide. We are new, like for me, sometimes when I want to clear my teeth, I just gargle a little hydroperoxide in my mouth and let it sit there for a little bit. Those are things that I have used, and over a few days my teeth will get a little lighter, especially if I'm drinking coffee and a lot of things, because I love me some coffee. Starbucks is my weakness. I cannot. It's so bad that anytime I see a Starbucks, I have to go get her coffee, and I like me my caramel macchiato. Oh my God, my iced caramel mark with caramel and whipped cream. Okay, all right, so that's off topic. So as you can see. And these things you can find anywhere. You can find it from CVS, you can find it Bath and Beyond, you can find it from Walmart, Amazon, and these lists sell the cry, and the prices usually range anywhere about $46 to get these things, and you can use these products. So for starter, what I would say, how soon should you be using these products before your wedding days? I would recommend, if you already does not have it in your routine, I would say I use at least 4 weeks before your wedding, because some products take 5 days or so to you to start to see results. Some say immediate results, especially during some takes a while to get there. So I would say at least start to use these at least within 4 weeks to kind of get and follow the instruction. Every box is different. Every instruction is different to tell you. Some would let you to use it for 10 days straight and don't use it again. You see the difference. So follow the guideline on the product. These are not something that you're supposed to use every single day. You have a limit on when you should use it. Some of them you should, but not that. So The best kit on the go, something that you need on the go that you can just use the whitening cake to set, is that the Smart Direct Club Bright Premium Tea Whitening Kit is from Smart Direct. They're usually about $40, and you can find this, like I said, Walmart usually a good place, except Amazon. Amazon is my go-to place for a lot of things when I'm lazy, especially during the pandemic when I got nowhere to go. I'm so used to things just being shipped to me instead of me going to the store. And oh, excuse me. It must not have a way to get it to me. Sometime within 2 hours, sometime in 4 hours, couple hours. So I am and good with that. And and this pen is pretty good according to says that it will last. Your applicator will literally last you. So you can use it about 5 minutes for twice a day, and you can even, they say you can even control it with your smartphone, so that's pretty neat. That's something that you can pretty use, and I think is good. And the next kit is that the Go Smart Sonic Blue Smart Brush. I have used that. It's really good. It's especially the brush is really nice. It delivered, as I say, about 33,000 screws in a minute. So it really moving and really working and getting the things that is on the stop where you're whitening your teeth, the gel whitening it and transform your teeth in a brighter within 30 days. So in less than 30 days, you're about to see healthy teeth results. So those are some that's another product you can try and you can go for. And then another one is the Aurora Glow Teeth Whitening Gel. Pen, this range about $26, and you can find it on aurora.com, Amazon, Walmart, and so on. Most of the things, like I said, you can find on Walmart, Amazon, Rite Aid, and a couple other places. So this is all on a go product where you can quick pick me up, and you can just pin the whitening on your teeth in less than a minute, and you will see instant results. And in about 15 treatment, you will start to see a different results in your teeth and start to lighten up a little bit. So those are things that are good. And then the best for toothpaste, the best is Colgate Optimal Fresh Advanced Whitening Toothpaste with fluoride in it. I use Colgate. Colgate is one of the toothpaste my go-to toothpaste to use. I definitely use them, and I know that it do work. And they range about $10 to $14. And once again, you can find it on all those major products. And brushing your teeth twice a day is always, everybody should know how to do that and be able to do that. Make sure you brush for 2 minutes. If you don't know the thing, you can set a timer with your Google Home or your Alexa, your phone, or anything. Just, if you don't know how long to shoot, you can have the timer and just keep it in a habit to make sure you break up and down. I'm not going to teach people because we are adults. We should know how to brush your teeth, hopefully. But anyway, and then for gel, the Inkward 2 Whitening Gel. And once again, you can find it on the website. You can find it on Amazon. You can find it on bigelowchemist.com. And what it says that it turn your favorite toothpaste and into a special ingredient. It had the hydroperoxide, and everybody in the hydroperoxide is good. It's gentle on your teeth. It's not if you make it part of your routine. It has the cold exposure temperature that won't affect and damage your teeth. So that's something that's really good that I think you can really use. Another one is Up to Science Pure Teeth Trays. The whitening tray, this is around about $80, where you just kind of bite on them like kind of like a retainer and let it sit there for a while. It's about $80. It's ready to use. That way you can have it on the go. It's easier in the morning, put it in your routine and kind of. So that's something that I know people have used. I personally haven't used it, but I know people that have used it and it worked. And then for those who have sensitive teeth, because some people have sensitive teeth, for the best one is the Pop White Purple Power Duo. It's really good. It's range about $35, and you can find it in Macy's, in a Walmart, and on the website as well. So you can find all this information on it to help whiten your teeth. And then for the vegan people, because everybody's have their own healthy choice in different life. So the vegan, you got a Color White Tea Whitening Kit. Light up. It is really good for all my healthy people and my vegan people who don't want product. Everything makes this range about $29. You can find that on Amazon. And the best step is the Glow Sign Braiding Tea Brush Whitening. So it's the lighter glow where you just bite on it. Many of us saying that you put the gel in there and you let it stay there for a few minutes. About a range based places. Amazon got it for $170, Bloomingdale's $200, and Durham Store $200. So you can research to see, and they're about 10 vials inside for the applique. And it helps like literally, within 32 minutes a day, you'll see a significant change in your teeth. So that way you can use them. But like I said, there's a lot of different products out there. Some of you already using something. The most thing I would say to whitening teeth, make sure you brush your teeth twice a day, and use these treatments that are affordable to you. These are affordable products that you can use. And as I said, within 4 weeks, at least start to do the concentrate on the part you want to use. Most whitening product that have peroxide product in it and to help whiten your teeth, and just make sure that you are staying up for it and just have those pretty whites, because when you smile, we don't want to see all of that. We don't want to see it. So on your teeth, you don't want to see the stain, the yellow thing, even if you got a perfect white teeth, just make sure you do certain routines to help clear your teeth. But once again, thank you for watching. My name is Linda Gunner. I am the CEO and founder of Linda's Perfect Creations. Please follow me on my website. All my information is in the section. Thank you and have an amazing day. Good night, everyone. Bye.